Şerik şerik yenten Şeyin rikbi yenten
Dajin lok tu tulu Meta me binurbu Shirik yenten ino Dajin lok tu tulu Meta me binurbu Shirik yenten ino
Kuzazangpola to all the listeners across the country. This is Tuji Dolma from Jimina Primary School. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. The lesson for today is for Class 2, SIM Volume 4, Subject Mathematics on the topic Measuring Capacity. Today, you are going to learn about how to measure capacity using non-standard units. Then, you are going to learn how to measure capacity in liter. Liter is the unit used for measuring capacity. Well, children, please open your SIM book page 25 and get ready to listen and write when told. Let's look at the introduction. Capacity of a container is the amount it can hold. I repeat, capacity of a container is the amount it can hold. We can measure capacity by using non-standard units as well as standard units. We can use various containers to measure capacity. Here are some examples of how we can use non-standard units for measuring capacity of containers. Look at the example 1. The capacity to be measured is a water bottle. Look at the water bottle. The unit used to measure capacity is the glass. The water bottle can hold 3 glasses of water. So, the capacity of this water bottle is 3 glasses. Now, look at the example 2. The capacity to be measured is the kettle. The unit used to measure capacity are the cups. The kettle of Suja can fill 5 cups, so the capacity of the kettle is 5 cups. So, here you are measuring capacity using non-standard units such as glass and cups. Now, turn to next page to learn more about capacity. We use a unit called liter to measure mass as the standard unit. Here you can see a container, and this container has the capacity of 1 liter. The capacity of the container given in the box is 1 liter. Well, children, can you look at the example 3? Here you can see 2 containers. Each container has a capacity of 1 liter. So, as there are 2 containers, that means the capacity of the big container is 2 liter, as it can fill 2 containers of 1 liter each. Now, let's look at the example 4. Here, how many jars are there? Can you count the small jars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this big blue jar can fill 5 1 liter jars. Therefore, the capacity of the big blue jar is 5 liter. Alright, children, let's look at the activity 1. The instruction says, write the capacity of each container using each objects. The first one is done for you. On the left side, you can see the picture of the containers, and on the right side, you can see the capacity given. Now, let's look at the question number A. Here you can see a big kettle and 4 small mugs. Can you count the mugs once more? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as there are 4 small mugs, that means it clearly indicates that the big kettle can fill up 4 small mugs. Therefore, the capacity of the kettle is 4 mugs. Now, let's look at the picture B. You can see a big bucket and a small jugs. Can you count the small jugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at the sentence given on the right side. It says the capacity of the bucket is dash jugs. So as you have already counted, write that number in the blank. Now can you look at question number C? Here you can see a big pot and some small bowls. Count the bowls and write the answer. The sentence says the capacity of the pot is dash bowls. I repeat, the capacity of the pot is dash bowls. Well, children, it was very easy, right? Now let's turn to next page. Now let's try activity 2. Are you all ready, children? Here the instruction says circle the object for each of the measurements given below. The first one is done for you. So here look at question number A. It says 1 liter, and at the left side you can see 3 pictures given: a water bottle, a juice and a big jar. You can see the first picture circled, that is the water bottle. Why not the second and the third picture? Second picture is less than 1 liter and the third one is 5 liter, as you have already seen in the previous picture. So 1 liter is the water bottle. Now look at question number B. 5 liter. Which container do you think will have 5 liter capacity? Here you can see first picture a bottle, then second a big jar, and again third a mineral water bottle. So look carefully, think and then circle the picture which have 5 liter capacity. Now look at question number C. 2 liter. Now there are first picture bucket, then a mug, and then third one a juice bottle. Look at the picture carefully and circle the correct picture having the capacity of 2 liter. Have you finished? Excellent. So check your answers given at the end of this lesson later. Now here's another activity for self-check for learning. The question says, what is the capacity of your cup when measured with a spoon? Remember the cup and you have to measure it using a spoon. So here you should measure the capacity of your cup by pouring water in your cup and then pouring it out using a spoon. Count the number of times you pour out the water with a spoon. Hope you will be able to do it. Can you recall what you have learned today? Yes, you have learned to measure capacity using non-standard units such as cups, mugs and glasses, and also standard unit. Hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you for listening and we'll continue in the next lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay clean, and please keep washing your hands. Bye-bye, children.
Şerik şerik yenten Şeyin rikbi yenten
Dajin lok tu tulu Meta me binurbu Shirik yenten ino Dajin lok tu tulu Meta me binurbu Shirik